up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a follow-up or a small mini update of my iPhone 8 Plus case collection. Since my last one, I have gained a couple of new cases that I wanted to showcase to you guys, or share with you what I have purchased just recently. Some I had purchased out of town while I was on a recent trip, and then some I have gained locally, as well as those I have bought online. So let's get started. The case that I currently have on my phone, as I've shown you in my previous video, is this phone case right here. It's just a Mindy white henna tattoo case, and I've shown this in my previous video, but I'm showing it to you again because this is what's currently on my 8 Plus right now, with a little ring socket on the back. The next case that I wanted to show you guys happens to be a cute little case. I didn't think I was going to ever get this one because it took over a month for it to arrive to me, and honey, I was getting an attitude because I love me some Snoopy, so I was hoping that this case was going to come. That's just the big kid in me, but I absolutely love Snoopy. He's my favorite cartoon character. So this is just a simple, clear, soft shell case from eBay that I had gotten from a seller on there. And as you can see, it is bendable. It's one of those soft cases. But I absolutely love this case because it's super cute, and I love Snoopy so much, and I just thought this was the cutest thing in the world. So yeah, this is a clear case that I bought, and I think I spent like, $5 for this. So it wasn't too bad, even though it could have been less, but I really wanted this case because it's Snoopy. My next case is already one that I had featured in my previous case collection, but I'm showing it to you again because it does have a ring socket on it, and the ring socket looks like this. How cute is that? And like I said, this is a case that was plain, that I had purchased from Walmart for like maybe $4 or $5, and it was from a company, I think it's ONN, so it's on, or I don't know how you say it. It's just, I know it's spelled ONN. It was very inexpensive, and it was plain. And this is a design that I have repeated on my 2 previous generation iPhones, on my 4S as well as a 6. And I did it again for this one. It's just plain Swarovski crystals with pearl accents on the corners of this case. And this pop socket resembles a clock. And no, the parts don't move on there and tell time. It's just for the look. But it's really, really cute. And like I said, it's a ring socket that I had purchased from eBay. And you can pull it up like this in order to place your finger in it. And then you can also adjust it. So it does rotate, if I can get it to rotate. There you go. You can get it to rotate. And I thought it was cute. So that's the reason why I wanted to showcase this one, because this case is different this time for the simple fact that I designed it myself. The next case that I'm going to show you guys is another cute case. It looks like this, and it's a red fox. And that happens to be my alias. People call me that around here, and I grew up with that name. It's kind of a pet name. Dudes started calling me Sexy Red Fox when I was in my teens, so it kind of stuck with me. So it's like an alias. So when I saw this red fox online, I just thought it was super cute. It looks like a mosaic pattern with like curls and swirls and stuff in the pattern, and I just thought it was super cute. So I decided to go ahead and get this one because it's really nice. As you can see, I already cracked it up here at the top, which pisses me off. You can see it's a little crack right there. But it's like, it has a finish on it that looks like, it's not really see-through. It almost looks like, I don't know what to call it. It's almost like a frosted finish, put it that way. It's not super clear where you can see right through it. But this case is super cute, and I really, really like it a lot. And I got this one, I believe, from eBay. Yeah, and I think I paid 99 cents for it. So it's a half case. It's not really protective. The top and the bottom are pretty much open, where you can see right there. So yeah. My next case is another one that is one of my favorites, like hands down. This was super cute. I first stumbled across this on Pinterest. And when I saw it, I said, you know what? I'm going to get this case because it's different, and I absolutely love different. But this case is nothing more than a glitter waterfall falling apps case that's clear. And I got it from eBay. You can also get it from another seller, but you're going to pay $19 for it. I think I paid $8 for mine from eBay. So it's super, super cute. And like I said, it has falling glitter apps on the inside of it. And I love that. It's not moving a whole lot. There you go. And it's just cute. And it's so, oh my gosh, this is really, really cute. I had purchased this about 2 months ago. Yeah. And I really, really like it because it's super cute. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Sometimes they get a little stuck on the inside, but I don't care because I absolutely love it. So yeah. And then, let me see. I have a few more. This one I bought in Baltimore. I love spec cases. They're durable, they're tough, and they're beautiful. And it's pretty damn solid. So this one happens to be a spec case in red with blue trim. And I think I had picked this up from a Marshall store in Baltimore where I recently just went on a business trip. And I saw this one, and I had been looking for the Pomodoro red with the black trim for I don't know how long, because I have that one for my iPhone 6. I couldn't find it. This was the next best thing, I guess you can say, or the closest thing to it. So I ended up getting this one, and I really, really like it. It's beautiful. Red is my favorite color, so I definitely wanted to get this one. I also have another red case. This one happens to be a Apple red case that I had purchased from the Apple store. And it looks like this. The felt inside of it is so nice. And then it's silicone, I think, on the outside. It's very protective. It's very, very solid. You can hear how solid it is. And it's just gorgeous. I absolutely love this case. So yeah, that's my second red case. The next case I'm not crazy about this because the print on it is very poor. You can tell it's low quality. They had some other Gucci cases on there that I really wanted. But this one, I believe, came from eBay. Yeah. And it's supposed to be a Gucci case, which is like inspired. I have an authentic Gucci case like this one from my 6. I just wanted to save a couple of bucks and get this one, and this is what I got. So you have to be careful about who you buy certain cases from, because the print quality is so poor on this one is the reason why I don't carry this one as much. But when I just want a kick around case to just throw on my phone and just go out the door, this one would be handy. So it's a pretty design. It's just the screen printing on it is just low quality. So that's the reason why I'm not really crazy about that case. The next case I have is another inspired one. And I swear you would not be able to tell the difference if it were not for the opening up here, because it comes at a diagonal right here instead of just coming straight down as a square corner and coming this way. Is what gives this one away. But this is an exact dupe or replica of the Casemate Carrot Petals case, and it's so freaking gorgeous. You cannot even really tell the difference. And it also comes in 2 pieces with the bumper, which is also in silver trim. And then this is the case itself. Like, my God, that is so pretty. And it looks exactly like the Carrot Petals case. Only the cutout up here at the top is different. The corners are at a diagonal. That's the only thing that gives this away. Other than that, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous case, and I love putting that on my phone. The last case that I want to show you guys is a floral case that I got from Amazon. It's so freaking pretty, and it looks like this. It's so pretty. Like, everywhere I go, I get compliments on top of compliments for this because of how beautiful and floral and girly it is. And like I said, I'm not a pink girl, but I just had to cop this one because it is so freaking gorgeous. And I love how it's raised. Like, it has like raised, embossed like edges on it in between the color. And it's really, really cute. You can see the edges like right there. See how pretty it is? I absolutely love this one too. I think I spent $8 or $9 for this one. I'm going to provide the link below where you can purchase this because this is a gorgeous case and it looks so good up against the gold finish on my phone when I do put it on. But it looks really, really good on my case. Hold on just a second, guys. I got to show you. So this is what it looks like after I put it onto the phone. And that is so pretty. And up against that gold is like really, really nice. Even if you put up against the silver or the rose gold, if you have an earlier generational like I+ 7 phone, it looks really, really good up against it. And it's just gorgeous. I absolutely love this case. So this is what this one looks like. And like I said, I really, really love it. So that concludes my iPhone 8 Plus case collection. That was the grand finale. So I will check back in with you guys later. So love, peace, and kisses to all my superstars. Mwah. See you later. Bye.